What's up, YouTube? We back here again. It's the Tillman Squad, and today the girls want to do some science. So I got them together, and we're going to do some DIY lava lamps. Lani got blue, because that's her favorite color. Milah got pink, and let's get it. What else we got, Lani? We got some water. Yeah, we got the Alka-Seltzer. What else we got? We got some cooking oil, and we got our empty jar. And we got some water. Are you ready, Milah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the first step?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Be careful when you're doing it. Pour your water into your jar. Pour your water in. Get it. Good job.
Guess what, Dad?
Now sit our jar to the side.
Okay. Okay.
Y'all ready for the next step?
Yes.
Alrighty. What we gonna do next, Milah?
Oh my gosh.
Food coloring. Add your food coloring into it. Be careful because food color stains. Oh, a little bit more, Lani. You can pour more. A little bit more. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Now sit it to the side. Give your jar a little shake. Give your jar a little shake.
Oh.
There you go. That's about it. There you go. Alright. You ready? Ready for the next step?
Yeah.
Let's go add our oil. Be careful. We're going to add it to the top of the jar. Go ahead, Lani. Get it.
I know I can do it.
You can do it. You got it.
Oh, it's bubbling up.
Go ahead. Just pour it. You're fine.
Pour it.
You're fine. There you go. Pour it. Pour it. There you go. You got it. Keep going. Fill it up. You got it?
Bubbles.
Yeah, use
Why
two
does
hands.
it kind of look like ice cream? I like to look at it. Yeah, that's enough.
Keep going. Whoa.
That's enough. That's
there
enough.
you go. Good job. You can do it. I told you. You did a good job.
Last thing.
No, that's enough.
Enough.
That's enough. Alright, now y'all ready for the last thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's move this to the side so we can get a good view. Let's move this and move that. Let me get them too. I got them.
Here.
Sit that there.
Here, Dad. Sit that inside.
Sit that there. All
Can I
right.
set
No,
this inside?
They're fine right there. You can leave them there.
Can I sit this inside? These.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah, for these.
Alright, go get them all. Put them in there. Drop them. Drop them, Lani. Drop them, Milah. Lani, oh, look at yours starting to go.
Wobbling.
Look at that. Look at Lani's. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh.
Look at Milah's.
Wobbling.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm getting back. Sorry.
Look at that.
I'm scared though.
Whoa.
Whoa, why is it bubbling up? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa.
That's how you making DIY lava lamp.